Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the PM Silver Bullet for Thursday, May 30th. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro and let's just see what's around here. Let's turn on the New York lunch and let's turn on the AM side. Let's just turn it all on and see what's going on here. See what is some targets. So AM sell side is a good target. Previous week low. New York lunch just took lunch buy side. Let's turn off Asia. Let's turn off London. Let's turn off the kill zone. Let's see what else. We'll leave New York lunch out there because it's a good target. Okay, I like that. All right. Okay. So let's see what else is available here. Let's do Kraken Visuals. Let's turn on the time cycles. Okay. All right. So we just swept this 90-minute cycle high, and I know that there is SMT with YM here. So let's see. There is a breaker block right here. So as soon as we get in here, if we come into this breaker block, I can short it. What would I be targeting? Well, the first target would be New York sell side, and the next one would be AM sell side down here. So this is what I'd want to see. Just want it to come like here, you know, like in here. Since we're already pretty much there, I just need to stay around here. And then I, would want it to come. This would be my first target. We go break even when it crosses this, and then this would be my next target. That's my plan. All right? Why? Because we just took buy side up here, and we took New York lunch liquidity. We have SMT. We have break a structure with the market structure shift with the breaker block. Everything is telling me we should go lower, right? So we're in our time window here with the Kraken macros, the extended macros that I like to trade. So everything's really like lining up, right? So let's see if we can start the hour with a time in here. Okay, let's sell there. That's fine. Let's do this. Let's move this over one. All right, let's move this over. Let's put our stop here. Why is my stop so high? Above the breaker block. We shouldn't be. It didn't need that much. Let's go with 13. Don't need that much. Let's go right above the breaker. Why? Well, because you have a 5-minute fair value gap right here holding it too with a breaker. And you got all these little itty bitty fair value gaps right here that are on the 1 minute. So I've got several PD rays in the area. So I don't need, if it goes up higher, I'm not going to give it more than 13 points. TP, let's go here. Let's go with our previous week low right there. Let's go with that. It's right there. 80 points right there. Let's go. Right there. Okay. I think that's that right there. Let's go even 1600. Perfect. All right. So I'm looking at this as obviously this right here was the market maker buy model. So this is the buy side of the curve, looking for this to be a smart money reversal, sell side of the curve. So I'm looking for something like this, right? Market maker sell model. All right, let's see how this gets goes, right? So all these relatively equal lows right here. I'd like to see it clear. You can use any of those for like a breaker block as well. So like, come on. That's what I was saying. Like you could use any of these for like a breaker block. any of these, you know. So I like to see it be respected. I need to come down past New York lunch for me to move to go break even. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, see, look at that. Look at that, just right there. So we're gonna go break even, just because I don't like that big, that long wick. I don't like that. Do not like that long wick at all. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's see how this breaker block holds price or not. Hopefully you can hold it there. So far, so good. Trying to make it so you can see it better. Let's do this. Let's do this like this. You can see it better. Move this down here. Oof. That constant encroachment of that breaker block. Liking that being respected. I like that. I do like that. And a 15-minute fair value gap right here. I like that as well. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to stop right there. Why? Because I have this breaker supporting price that's being respected and a 15-minute fair value gap right here. You can say you got 1, 2, 3, you got one there, one there. I mean, you got all these fair value gaps down here, so I'm going to use those as my 3. So that's why. If it takes me out, I'm going to capture at least $145, which is fine. So the way this is trading this right now, this candle right here is the lowest candle of the previous 90-minute cycle. So that's what's green box right here. You'd extend that. So how price reacts to this down candle, this lowest candle here, is going to tell me is price going to go back up, or is it going to trade through it and use it as support to go down. So I'm watching price, how it's trading in here. This could be like just consolidation, time distortion type of thing. So I do not like sitting through these kind of trades. I just don't. I'm not a big fan. But I'm sitting at $145 in profit, so that's fine. I don't want to lower it anymore because we may come back up and take this high, you know, and then drop. I don't know. But I do have a 15-minute fair value gap and a breaker block, and then 2 PD rays holding price down. So I'm fairly confident that it's going to at least stay lower. But what I don't like is you've got, I mean, just look at my crosshairs. You got all these relatively equal highs right here. I'm not a huge fan of those. I expect those to get swept. It wouldn't surprise me at all if they do. Still looking for the low of this 90-minute cycle here. There we go. Finally break beyond it. That's good. Okay, now that we're at 1,040, I'm going to go to these highs. But we did just close below this, and so I'd like to see it continued lower. Okay, I like that. Perfect. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. So, market maker sell model complete. Original consolidation. You have the buy side of the curve. Smart money reversal. You got SMT here with YM. You got a breaker block, market structure shift here. And then you're on the sell side of the curve. Okay. So that is your PM Silver Bullet trade setup for Thursday, May 30th, using the Kraken suite of indicators that you can get at ICTKraken.com. All 6 indicators, soon to be 7 indicators, for just one low payment of $29 a month. You get all the indicators.